how to display your category of your account of your Instagram account on your profile on Instagram, of course. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see, when your Instagram it's open, and you go down and open your profile, then go to this three line, or just you go to edit profile. Then, for example, I go to category. I have a category before, it's entrepreneur. I will, for example, use it. Then I will go to display on profile, and I will just turn on this option like that. Then when I finish, I will go and click on save like this, and then save again here. And as you see now, I display my category of accounts. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.